Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using Mailchimp and want your emails to look more professional, polished, and on brand, one simple thing that makes a huge difference is changing your email background color. Even a small color change can make your email feel more cohesive with your branding, help your readers focus on important sections, and give your campaigns a more modern look. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change your email background color in Mailchimp, step by step, including some tips to make sure your colors are readable and visually appealing. In this step-by-step beginner guide, I'll show you exactly how to do that quickly. After you log into your Mailchimp account and go to your dashboard, from here, click on the specific email and start a regular campaign or a reusable template. Once you're inside, go ahead and click on Edit to enter editing mode. The Mailchimp editor will load a live preview in the center, and on the left you can get the control panel. Once the editor opens, look over to the right-hand side of your screen. You'll see different tabs like Blocks, Style, and Sections. Click on the Styles. This is where all your styling options are. Inside the Styling tab, you can find the Background or Body section. Here's where the magic happens. Tap on Background and click on the Circle Color section next to the Background option. A color picker will pop up and you can choose any color you want. You can either pick from the default colors or enter a custom HEX color to match your brand exactly. As soon as you select a color, you'll see it instantly applied to your email. If you want more control, you can also change different areas like the outer background, the inner content background, or even specific sections of your email. This helps you create a more layered and professional design instead of just one flat color. When choosing colors, choose a color that fits your brand and that complements the other colors used on the background and fonts. And that's it. That's how you change your email background color in Mailchimp. It's a small tweak, but it can completely transform the look of your emails, make them feel more professional, and help your brand stand out in your subscribers' inboxes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.